Today we're going to have a look at JSON, what it is, we will see the advantages of JSON, and at the end of the video we will see an example of JSON structure. Let's start right now. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is a standard text-based human-readable data interchange format used to exchange data between web clients and web servers. It generates and stores the data from user input. It can transport the data from the server to client, client to server, and server to server. It can also build and verify the data. It is a collection of key value pairs where the key must be a string type and the value can be any of the following types: a number, string, boolean, array, or null. Now let's have a look at some of the advantages of JSON. It is supported by all programming languages. It can be used on all platforms. It is a lightweight database standard, so data transmission is fast. Now let's have a look at some JSON methods in JavaScript. JSON.parse takes a JSON string and transforms it into a JavaScript object. JSON.stringify converts a JSON value to a JSON string representation. Now let's have a look at a syntax example. In this example right here, we can see a JSON structure, and we can see that the whitelisted domains is a key, and the value is an empty array in this case. We can also see an example of nested object inside this JSON structure. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like such content, make sure you subscribe for more.